What's going on, everyone? It's ggkickzz here, and as my boy Jason would say, I got a heater for you guys today. I damn near melted my eyes when I opened up the box. This right here is the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. The classic colorway has made a comeback, and this is going to be releasing to the general public on November the 28th on Black Friday. So make sure you guys are ready on the SNRKS app or go in and tune into your local raffles. I do expect these to be readily available, but they are going to sell out. 200 price point because it is an OG. But this shoe right here, man, is definitely a classic. First release in 1989, as well as the cement 4s that I got playing in the background, also the bread 4s and the military blue 4s. Those were the only 4 Air Jordan 4s to release that year. I actually do have the bread 4s, but I don't have them on me. They're in another location and I couldn't get them for this video. It actually also came with the Nike Air OG tag. Mine actually fell off because I was taking some pictures for you guys. So if you guys aren't following me already on Instagram, I suggest you guys follow me on Instagram for high quality pictures, man. I'm telling you, it's not a joke. I had this shoe fall from a very tall tree that I was taking a picture on and it just snapped. But I don't usually wear it with the tag, although this one is less bulky than the actual Jordan 4 ones that the Toros was. I almost forgot about my babies back there, yo. The Air Jordan 4 Toros right there, that's literally what like just made me fall in love with the Air Jordan 4 right there. That is definitely my favorite Air Jordan 4 of all time, bro. You cannot go wrong with all that red on that shoe, and it's suede. You could definitely not go wrong. So with the Air Jordan 4 is when Jordan actually introduced the flight technology, and after that they started making flight shoes. This is what basically started it all for the flight technology. So if you guys haven't already, please drop a like, press that subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another heater. But now let's get into the shoe. Quick look at the box here. Air Jordan 4 white/fire red, tech gray, 11.5, retail for 200, November 28th the release date. Nike Air, regular Air Jordan 4 box with your Jordan brand and your flight brand on it, and bam, we got the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. A lot of people were scared because they leaked some images, and the images that had leaked, the red looked literally like an infrared, like on the Air Jordan 6 infrareds. Look like that pinkish colorway. If you guys don't know what infrared is, it's like a mix of red and pink. It's more of a pink color though, and this shoe was actually rumored to be like that. Everybody was pissed off that Jordan brand literally just missed the head on these, but how could they if this is one of the 4 OGs released in 1989? You can't really mess it up, and they haven't. So all over the upper you got this nice smooth leather, all in white on the upper of the shoe. You got your white netting as well, black and red ankle straps. As always, they did not touch anything. Nothing about this shoe is different. Everything is reminiscent of the OG, even the back tab. You got your Nike Air branding. They finally released it with this. First time with the Nike Air on the back, releasing as a retro. This shoe has come out a couple times already since 1989, but none of them had this. And that's what makes these special, and they will be releasing on Black Friday, like I said. Nike Air just makes the shoe a lot more valuable. So on the bottom here, you got your regular Air Jordan 4 outsole. You got your white pod in the back with your red Nike branding on there. Gray on the bottom of the sole here, towards the heel and towards the toe box. In the middle, you got your fire red all over the midsole. The inside lining of it is in that nice fire red. Inside in the insole, you see your Nike Air branding also inside of there. On your tongue, you got your Jordan Jumpman in the fire red with the flight on it. Like I said, this was the first shoe that Jordan introduced with the flight technology. Then you got your Air Jordan branding on the back of the tongue as well. Nothing on the back of the back tab here like on the alternate 89s. So this shoe right here is basically the alternate version of this fire red that released in 1989. They released these a couple years ago. Don't really remember, but as you guys can see, alternate, and it has the 89 there. I do wear these shoes regularly, so they're kind of beat up right now, but this is definitely another classic that a lot of people slept on. I'm grateful mine is still in pretty good condition. I can unyellow that and unyellow the back tab easily, but I just didn't get the chance to do it before this video. This is basically the alternate version of this, what would have been, you know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is this already a classic? The OG coming back. Obviously it is a classic, but Jordan brand usually messes a shoe up when it's released again, but not with this. They hit everything. Everything looks good. The shape, the quality control, amazing, man. If you guys are picking these up also on Black Friday, let me know in the comments below, or if you got lucky on the sneakers app. So my final opinions on this shoe is I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It's truly a classic. White, black, and red. You could never go wrong on any shoe with that colorway, but this is just something special, man. The Nike Air is finally back on this Air Jordan 4. It's a very special moment. Like I said, these probably will be everywhere. It's gonna be an easy cop, I do believe so, but you shouldn't slack because they go up pretty fast. I remember there was a lot of bread 4s and now they're going for like 450. Also I guess it changed. Also the cement 4s that I had up, those also go up in value a lot. So this is gonna be no different, guys. So you guys better not slack. If you guys need any kicks, go follow hypebeast_PA23 just like that on Instagram, and we got you guys with all the latest kicks. So yeah, I'm gonna give this shoe a 10 out of 10. It's just a wonderful colorway on a wonderful silhouette. Like I've said before in my previous videos, the Air Jordan 4 silhouette is very comfortable for me. It might not be for some people, but for me, it is the most comfortable Air Jordan. I've had at least one pair of every number, so that just goes to show that this was made kind of for me. So if you guys enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe. Also turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.